continuation of articles. So today we will see the third part, part 3. So in this video we will try to learn the other 5 uses of the definite article the. So first one, before the names of countries, if they have words like, or else if they contain words like, what are those words? Firstly, states, secondly, kingdom, and thirdly, republic. So try to understand here. Sometimes we are not supposed to use the article before all the countries, and especially the countries which will end with or have the words states, kingdom, republic. So let us see a few examples. States. The US means the United States. See here, we have the word states here. So that's why the definite article the. Secondly, kingdom. The UK. The United Kingdom. Kingdom. We have the word kingdom. And third one, republic. The Republic of Ireland. So here we have the word republic. So like that we have countries, and before these countries we use the definite article the. And even there are countries which will have without this, but they will end with they will have the article. Suppose for example the Ukraine, the Netherlands. So those are exceptions. Those are exceptions. Second one, before terms referring to nationality. The terms which are referring to nationality, before them also we use the definite article the. Example, the Indian, the French, the English, the American, the Australian. So like that we can say. So if I say here, if I say the Indian, it refers to the entire Indian people. And individually I can say I am an Indian. So Indian is, it's my nationality. I belong to India, so that's why I am supposed to say I am an Indian. So all together, for all the people, those who live in India, they are all considered the Indian. The Indian. So the French. So the English. English means the people who came from especially England. Those are called English. The English. See, English is a language, and when we use the, it will become again English is it refers to nationality. The English. And then third one, before the name of a community or before the names of communities. So even when we want to refer to communities or religion, and before that we use the definite article the. And if we see examples, the Hindus and the Muslims, the Christians and the Sikhs, like that we can say example. So before these we use the definite article the. And then fourth one, before the names of political parties. Even before the names of political parties we use the definite article the. If we see examples here, the BJP, the Congress, the Communist Party, and the BSP, the Bahujan Samajwadi Party. So like that we have so many national parties we have, and even we have local parties. So before the names of parties, political parties, we use the. And then the fifth one, before the names of designations. Even before the designations we use the definite article the. Example here, the chairman and the director, the principal. Okay, so in this way we can say so many designations. Okay. The manager, okay, and in this way we can say many things. Okay, whatever it may be, even before designations we use the definite article the. So like this we can use the definite article the before these things. So we need to understand and we need to know its use and we have to use it properly. So that's why I'm trying to give the uses of the definite article to you. Okay, so I think you have understood these 5 ways, and I hope you have learned something even today from this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.